In this video, I'll show you how you can change your location on LinkedIn. So let's say, for example, I have this Bratislava location and I want to change it. So how you can do this is simply go to your profile, then choose settings and privacy. And from here in account preferences, you need to find those profile information, and here you can change your name, location, or industry. So we want to change location, so click on this. And from here you need to scroll all the way down to location, and here is my location. So let's say I want to change it, so I'm gonna type other city, and then you just need to click save. The change was updated, so now I have this city instead. And this is how you can change your location. You can also do this same with your country. And that's all. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing.